Hey guys, it's me, Zoe, and thank you for clicking on today's video. In today's video, I do a quick, 10-minute, easy high school makeup tutorial, and bonus, all of it is cruelty-free, so that's nice. Yeah, this is just like the makeup I'll do before school if I want to look good. I usually just put mascara on, but this is what I like to do when I want to look nice. So I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you do, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you like me. Bye guys! Thank you for watching today's video if you made it this far. If you liked it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you like me, make sure you subscribe down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye guys!